In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budget dashboard in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable dashboard that tracks your spending by category and shows what's left in your budget, plus a pie chart to visualize it. First, create two tabs in your Google Sheet. Name the first one Expenses and the second one Dashboard. On the Expenses tab, set up 3 column headers: Date in column A, Category in column B, and Amount in column C. This is where you'll log daily spending. To test it, add a few sample rows like Feb 01 in the date column, Lab in category, and 150 in amount. Next, a second row for Feb 05, Food 45, and a third row for Feb 09, Lab 200. Make sure dates are actual dates and amounts are numbers. You can format the amount column as currency for clarity. Switch to the Dashboard tab. Here, set up a small summary table. In column A, add your categories. Put Lab in A2 and Food in A3. In column B, add your budget for each. Type 1,000 in B2 and 500 in B3. In column C, we'll calculate actual spending. Click cell C2 and paste this formula: XUMIF expenses BB A2 expenses CC. This tells Sheets to total all amounts from the Expenses tab where the category matches what's in A2. Press Enter, then use the small blue square on the bottom right of C2 to drag the formula down to C3. In column D, calculate what's remaining. In D2, type XB2C2 and press Enter, then copy it down to D3. Add a totals row in row 4 in A4, type total. In B4, type 1500. In C4, type each SUM C2 C3. And in D4, type each SUM D2 D3. Feel free to format columns B, C, and D as currency for readability. Now let's visualize your spending. Highlight the range A1C3, including the headers category, budgeted, and actual spent. Go to Insert, choose Chart, and select Pie Chart. This will show how your actual spending is distributed across categories. You can customize the chart title, colors, and labels in the chart editor as needed. A few quick tips. Make sure the category names you type on the dashboard match the spelling used in the Expenses tab. SUMIF is case insensitive but relies on exact text matches. As you add more expenses to the Expenses tab, your actual spent and remaining values update automatically. If you add new categories later, extend the dashboard table and drag the formulas down to include them.